Welcome back to my channel, everyone. My name is Tamara T. I am a 7-figure Amazon FBA seller, and in today's YouTube video, I will be showing you step-by-step how to make $1,000 per day selling products on Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA was the first online business model that I came across a few years ago when I got fired from my 9-to-5 job. I made a lot of money doing this. I've taught a lot of students how to make money by selling products on Amazon. So in today's YouTube video, I want to show you how to find good products to sell on Amazon so you can make money as well. So Amazon stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, meaning when you ship products to Amazon, Amazon's warehouse workers are doing the heavy lifting for you. They are picking, packing, and shipping your orders to the customer while you live the laptop lifestyle. You can operate this business from home, online, when you are traveling on vacation. It does not matter. So the very first thing you need to do is sign up for an Amazon account. Now, I will let you do that yourself because it's super basic. Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the fun part. So you need a Helium 10 account. Helium 10 Black Box will help you sort products to show you which products are making money so you can potentially make money as well. Get yourself a Helium 10 account and use my discount code right here. I will also link it in the YouTube description below. Just click on the link and enter this code to get 50% off. Go to the left-hand side from your dashboard, under Tools, go to Black Box Amazon Product Research. Right here, we are going to get started. So under categories, look at one category at a time. I sell in toys and games, so I'm just going to use this for demonstration purposes. Let's select that. For monthly revenue, let's start at $10,000 and $50,000. So this means I only want to look at products that can pay me anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. Now keep in mind that is revenue, but we will talk about profit later on. So price, let's start at $15 and $30. You do not want to price it too low or else you don't make that much money. Review count, let's do 5 and 1,000. So these products will have anywhere from 5 to 1,000 reviews. Review rating, let's do 2 to 5 because maybe you can find some products that are very low in reviews and that will give you a good opportunity to launch your product so you can get your customers to buy your product. Shipping size tier, I will just do small and large. Now keep in mind, I'm not saying that this is the perfect criteria for you. I'm just putting in these numbers to use as an example. If you want to see other products, then you can adjust these numbers to your liking. So advanced filters, you can enter other options here, but for demonstration purposes, I will not be talking about that today. Click on search. And now Helium 10 will pull up all of the products that I entered up here based on this criteria. So I am only looking at products that make this much money per month. And that is amazing because obviously you are coming into Amazon FBA business to make money. So if your revenue is too low right here, well, guess what? You will be getting paid a low amount of money as well. My students that I teach have a specific criteria that they follow to find winning products. If you guys are interested in becoming one of my students, or if you want to get some free training and book a one-on-one free call with myself and my team, then all you need to do is get the free training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the free training to the very end because like I said, you will be able to get on the phone with myself and my team and we will walk you through this entire business. Okay, getting back on track, let's continue looking down here so I can show you a good product example how you can make $1,000 per day by doing this. Now, I want to look for products with a lot more monthly revenue. If I look at products that are about $12,000 in monthly revenue, you will not make $1,000 per day. Let me explain a little later. Let me just keep on going until I find one that makes a lot more revenue. And let's sort this revenue from high to low, actually. High to low. All right, there we go. So I'm just going to use this very first product as an example. So right here we have party decorations and balloons. Now, I'm not saying that this is the product you should go out there and source right now, because there are a lot of people looking at this YouTube video and you will all be selling the same product. But I'm going to use this product as an example to show you what's possible and how you can find similar products so you can make that $1,000 per day. So this is almost $50,000 per month, and let's check out this product on Amazon. Click on the three dots and go to product page on Amazon. And this will bring us their product page, and I'm just going to see what these keywords are and type this in for myself on Amazon to do some research. So party decorations and balloons. All right, so let's open up another browser, Amazon.com. And we are going to go to type in party balloons, decorations. There it is, already typed in there for me. And right here, you will need your Helium 10 extension. So Helium 10 has a tool that you can use, and also you need to download their Chrome extension. So I have mine right here. I'm just going to click on it. Click on X-ray, the big X right here, and this will give you an X-ray of every single product on the first page. So if we look at the top seller right here, this seller, someone that is just like you, just an individual, is making $139,000 every month. Now that's pretty insane. Now this is revenue. Let me pull up my calculator to explain net profit. So revenue is just revenue. It's just sales numbers. If you guys have been following me, then you know that I aim for a 30% profit margin for my net profit. So if I multiply this by 30%, that's my profit margin. This means how much money I will be taking home with me in my bank account. This is money that goes straight into my bank account. So every single month, it's over $41,000. Now, if this seller was smart, and I'm sure they are, and that's how they are number one, they are probably taking home somewhere around this amount of money per month. And if I divide this by 30 days, they are making over $1,000 per day. Now that is insane. A lot of you will think, oh my gosh, that is crazy. And let me tell you that this is possible. You just need to find a good product to sell. Now moving on to the next step, this product goes for $10 on Amazon, and it looks like it's just normal balloons. As you can see right here, it's 120 balloons, and it's just assorted color. Let's go to Alibaba.com and find how much you can buy that for. Birthday balloons. I bet you this is super cheap to source because it's just rubber balloons. I mean, if we look at something like this, it's 8 cents per piece. Like, that is super cheap. So you want to go to Alibaba.com to find your product to buy at a very low price, and then ship it to Amazon to sell at a much higher price, just like this one, $9.99. And they probably bought these balloons for a few cents, like a few cents each, and they're selling them for 10 bucks, $9.99 on Amazon. So let's just have a deeper look. So here it is. These are the balloons right here, and they are only 2 cents a piece. Come on, guys, that's insane. And if you want to get fancier and you want to sell a fancier balloon, you can do so. They just cost a little more, obviously, if you want to go super fancy, but you get the idea. Make sure you guys watch this success story right here that I did with my student, Marie. Marie takes home over $10,000 net profit every single month by selling just one product on Amazon. So I know you guys can do this for yourself. And again, if you need my free training and you want to book a one-on-one call, then make sure you click on the free training link in the YouTube description below. Start your Amazon Seller Central account. Download the Helium 10 software tool. Get 50% off by using my code right here. And this is also linked in my YouTube description below. And just start playing around and doing some research. There are so many products on Amazon. In fact, there are millions of products on Amazon, and a lot of them can make you good money. If you guys have any questions about this video or any comments for me, make sure you drop it in the comments section below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next YouTube video.